learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. 可以吗? Can I do this? Can I be late? Can I join you? These are all scenarios when you might use the phrase can I. 我可以吗？可以吗？怎么说？
做得吗？
做得吗？其实会问可不可以有好多状况哦。比如说好了啦，有时候朋友约吃饭，然后呢，我可能有事情要晚一点到。
对，
那会觉得说不好意思嘛，对不对？总是要先有礼貌的问说，
那我晚一点到可以吗？
对，可以吗？ If I'm going to be late to a dinner, for instance, can I? You want to ask people this, your friends this, and we're going to teach you the scenario right now, okay? 好，我们假设好了，今天晚上6点一起去吃饭哦，好。然后朋友要提醒一下啦，今天晚上6点一起吃饭哦。Don't forget, we're going to have dinner at 6 tonight.
安补呀6點鄉下食飯哦。
鄉下食飯哦。
安補呀6點鄉下食飯哦。
吃飯就是吃飯了哈。鄉下就是一起哈。鄉下 I like that. That means together. We're gonna have dinner together tonight at 6. Don't forget, all right? But then I have some work. 真的哦，有時候真的是逼不得已啦，加班或什麼事情。
塞車啊！
塞車，不過塞車這應該理論上一開始就要知道啦。
可是不一定啊，路況很難預測。
也是 ，That's true. Maybe you're stuck in traffic. Maybe you're stuck at work. I'm going to be late for maybe half an hour. 我會晚半個鐘頭，可以嗎？
捱不會慢，半點鐘，做得冇
OK。晚就是慢
就慢了，
对，
晚了，
对，我会慢半個鐘頭到。慢 is the way to say I'm going to be late actually in Hakka。好啦，这个朋友应该会 OK 啦，没关系
啦，我们等你，你最后来付钱就好啦。
对，等于说你干脆3個鐘頭後再到就好了。OK, it's okay, we will wait for you。没关系，我们等你。
冇關係，捱到
等，如果一直这样子的话就不好了哈。
那就我们吃完就走人啦。
All right, let's review some of these phrases, such as having dinner together, 吃飯，吃飯，然后 late 会晚或慢嘛，对不对？慢怎么说？慢。And finally, no problem, 没关系。
冇關係。
All right, 不要常常遲到就好了。那我們來 review 一下我們這個月的 phrase 就是可以嗎？
做得冇。
That means can I? And that is today's Practical Hakka.
什麼太㗎？
俺子say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.